In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the batch create function in ChequeSystem software. This feature makes it easy to create multiple checks for different payees all at once, saving you time and effort. Batch create function allows you to generate multiple checks with identical contents for different payees. This is especially useful if you need to issue several payments at once. To get started, select the desired checkbook from which you want to create the checks. Next, click on the Batch Create button located at the top of the screen. This will open the Batch Create window. In the Batch Create window, you'll see two sections. On the left-hand side, you can input the check details. Enter the date and amount of the check. The particulars and audit code fields are intended for a brief description of the payment and internal tracking. You can also add any additional notes in the remarks field. Now, let's move to the right-hand side of the window. Here, you can add payees by selecting a payee category. Choosing from the payee list. Or manually entering their names. This flexibility allows you to customize who will receive the checks. The check number field will automatically update based on the number of payees you select. Once you have entered all the necessary information and added the payees, click the Add button at the bottom. This will generate the checks for each individual payee. In this example, 5 checks are created. And there you have it. You successfully used the batch create function in ChequeSystem to create multiple checks for different payees. This feature not only saves time but also streamlines your payment process. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.